Hi everybody, welcome to our master class. We are trying to prepare you to pass your Egyptian Vascular Board examination, European Vascular Board examination, or the fellowship. You need to know the basis and you need to know the advanced, because they'll take you on the basic stuff that you don't know. At the same time, they'll annoy you with the most advanced stuff that you have missed to read about. We'll try to get you through your academic way of learning how to critique a paper, how to understand statistics and the basic difference. They'll ask you what's different between the alpha and beta error. If you don't understand that, they fail you in the exam for something very simple. At the same time, the clinical cases needs you to have up-to-date information on trials, on the ability to understand what to offer to the patient. This is very important for you. I'm here to help, and hopefully we'll have a good discussion at the end of it to allow you to pass your exams. Good luck and looking forward to see you.